exit the workbench. Let's give the pocket command. It is 35 mm, I think. So we're getting some outside. Okay, so I think it's better to decrease some width. So let's take as 38 mm. Again exit the workbench. Give the pocket 35. Yes, it is. It is okay now. Right. Now let's select this plane. Okay. And draw a circle with diameter 22. Project this line here and remove this unwanted lines. Okay, now exit the workbench. Here I required 8 mm depth. Okay, so 8 mm selecting, preview. It is fine. At the same time, here also I want 8 mm depth, so I am selecting more. Second type here. This total length is 20 plus I want depth 8 mm, so here I am selecting 28 mm. Okay, this is I want, and again I am selecting here this plane. Okay, so again I am selecting circle. Now this time I am giving 24 diameter. Right, so again project this line and select the quick trim, erase unwanted. So now exit the workbench. So here select the pocket and this profile, preview. Okay, right, and one more thing, select this plane here. Draw a elongated hole. Okay, and give the dimension of this circle radius as 6. I will select here. Its radius is 6 mm. Right, and make these points as constraint, I mean symmetry. Symmetry, and coincidence this line width here. Okay, so now I want to exit this one. Before that I need to give some dimension to this one. It should be 32. It's enough, 32 or 33. Let's give 33. Right, exit the workbench, and I am projecting the plane after selecting this plane, and I am selecting the distance, selecting as 18 mm with reverse direction. Okay, so here I want to project these lines on the plane. So here I want to draw a circles, 2 circles, and make these 2 circles tangent with these side by side lines. Okay, right? And use the distance of these two circles also. It should be better giving 22 mm, and make these two circles as symmetry with this vertical line. Right now it is constrained, and it's better to give 20. Okay, so remove unwanted lines here. Let's select the sketch analysis. Yes, it is closed one now. Exit the workbench. Okay, now choose a removed multi-section solid. Right, here closing point is here, and upper portion closing point is here. So I'm removing this closing point, replacing this point with same direction. Okay, let's see, preview. Right, we did successfully. Okay, and one more thing here, we required holes on this plane. So let's select the rectangle here. Give the dimension, it is 30 and it should be 27. Okay, and make these lines as symmetry. With horizontal line. Okay, now let's see how to construct this one. So I'm giving dimension from this construction line to here is border. It should be 3.5 mm. Okay, now it is fully constrained. Now let's select the circles on every edge here. Remove the construction mode and give the diameter as 3.5. Okay, 3.5 mm. Let's exit the workbench. Select the pocket option and its depth is 3.5 mm. Okay, so now let's select the rectangle pattern with this circle, and the reference is, it should be 27 in reverse direction, and in second direction it is reference element. We need to project the line. It should be 30. Okay, right, now let's see one more operation. Let's select this plane. Okay, and draw the circle with diameter 32 mm. Okay, make this circle point coincidence with this line, right, and exit the workbench. Select the pocket and its depth is 15 mm. Either we can give 15 or 14 mm. Let's see. Right, it is 15, or else we can use 16 also. Now it's better to give 15.5. Right, again select this plane here. Draw a circle with construction mode. Okay, before that project the circle, right? Okay, already it is in construction mode now. So now let's set the circle and make it a concentricity, and its diameter is 38 mm. Okay, 38 mm. Right, set a line and give some inclination to this vertical line. It should be 12 mm. I think it's enough, right? Or else give 30 mm. Now select a circle. Its diameter should be it is constrained with this one here, I mean tangentially here, so delete one. Now give the dimension of the circle. It should be 1.8 diameter. Okay, so now I think it is not constrained now, it can movable. Okay, here this line is not constrained with the center of the circle, so let's select the point and make constraints with center axis, right? Okay, now exit the workbench and select the pocket. Its depth should be 4.5 mm. Preview, or else we can give as 5.7, 5.5 out, right? Here now select this pocket and select the circular pattern and select the reference as the circle. We need 5 instance here with instance and total angle. Okay, let's select this one here. It should be in reverse direction, and here we require 240. Okay, because we have 5 holes. If we give 6 holes, one more hole will be present here, so I divided as 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Around the 360 degrees I am removing 120 degrees, so it is 240 degrees. In this 240 degrees we have 5 instance, so this is the part we required operation. Okay, so again one more hole we require here. Select this plane and draw a circle with the diameter 25 mm. Okay, let's project this hole with 25, right? Let's give its depth as 48 mm. Right, now let's give another version. Select this profile and here it is 30 mm. Preview. Okay, this is the case cover, sorry, crankcase. Okay, finally the main part has done in this assembly. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and share the videos. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.